guys, guess who's back? She's back, she's back, she's back. Guys, I had to take me a vacation, okay? Seriously, I had to take a vacation. But anyway, she's back. Look at the hair, y'all. Look at that. She's feeling it. This is outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Yeah. I don't know if you guys remember this dress from last summer. It has like, if you guys can see, let me see if I can put y'all on pause and turn around so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Okay, okay. So, can you guys see the back? So that's what the back looks like. Yeah, so it is actually, sorry y'all. It's actually my brother's birthday, so I'm gonna go enjoy some time with my brother, my sister-in-law, and my mom. So I'll see you guys when I get there. All right, guys. Mom, putting on her coat. Putting on her little jacket. We are here. Beautiful waterfall. Beautiful waterfall. So let's go find where he is. Birthday boy.
But you want to spoil and nobody want to look like, oh, look good, she got a big one. You know what I'm saying? That was the thing.
Yeah, look at this beautiful place. Beautiful, beautiful park.
It's actually
got a food truck going right here.
The apple ticket from the tree of life.
So this is where the celebration is. I'll show you guys the cake. There's a birthday cake. Real cute. And there he go preaching. Say hi, Harry. Just wave your hand.
Hey, who that?
Did my video.
50, baby. 50.
Hey to you. Yeah. Hi, everybody. Happy Saturday, July the 10th. I am glad to be back. So, I'm gonna walk into it. Woo! This is what we're wearing today, y'all. You guys remember me hauling that? She's doing it, y'all. She's doing it. But yeah, today is Saturday. It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna show you outfit today. I just popped in real quick to say hi. How you guys doing? Be blessed, be grateful, be thankful in all that you do. And don't forget, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place, okay? A better environment. So this is outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. What do you got to say? Who? No, I'm just playing. But y'all, I'm gonna do a little bit of therapy today, just a little bit. And if I can bring you guys along for some, I'll do so. And then we might have a vlog of a haul in another video, upcoming video. But guys, yeah, happy Saturday. Be blessed in all you do. And remember, stay positive, okay? Smile when you don't even feel like it, okay? Smile anyway, all right? Okay? Because guess what? If you frown, you're going to have wrinkles in your forehead, and you don't want that, right? Okay, so I'll see you guys in a little while. Yeah, I don't know. It's so many people. Not that many people, but I got a few things here. We'll see later if I get them all, okay? Look at this deer walking up to me. Are you serious? Oh my God, look at this deer walking up to me. Don't run, baby. Oh my God, y'all, on my beautiful walk. Y'all, that is amazing. Look at this. Don't run, there go their mama. Oh, don't run. Y'all, keep telling y'all, outside is amazing. Hey y'all, I know y'all like, why are you so happy, girl? I'm just happy, y'all. It's another day. It is another day to be grateful, thankful, and blessed. So, she's back. She is back. So I'm gonna show you guys really fast of some upgrade decor and a new thrifted decor from Goodwill. So guess what? If you are interested, keep on watching, okay? All right, y'all, so we right here. So anyway, you guys remember this, right? Remember it was black? So what I did is got me some gold spray paint from Walmart, spray painted it gold, and I'm gonna keep it because I was gonna donate it. And I said, no, I'm just gonna go ahead, revamp it, and I'll show you where it's gonna go. So I have my white sticks that were cut for me before, remember? And they're gonna go in here, and then I'm gonna show you where this is gonna go. So let's put them in here. Isn't it so pretty, y'all? It's so pretty. She's gonna have a new home, even though I wanted to give her away. Uh-oh, let me see. Let me see. So pretty, y'all. I'm doing good because I counted that I only now have 6 decor six pieces of decor, or I think 6 or 7. In another video, I'm going to show y'all. She only have a few decor pieces. So the next thing I'm going to show you is this beautiful piece. If you can see, it's very nice. It has like a tribal print in it, and it's black, and it is a vase with handles on it. I got this from Goodwill not too long ago. I'm going to say maybe a couple weeks ago, so I didn't show it to y'all. It was half price of $4, so it was $2. It actually came from Home Goods for $16.99 and was marked down for $12. So if you guys want to see, that's what she got it for. So this is actually absolutely beautiful. So let's go find out where she's gonna put these things, okay? All right, guys, this beauty is gonna go in the bedroom. I think she'll look really pretty there. Look at that. Look at that. Less is more, but that is beautiful, y'all. Goes with the lamp. Goes with the decor. Beautiful, right? Let's get a little look. Let's get a nice little look at her. Ain't that pretty? Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, okay. Let's find out. Now this one is gonna go here. And whenever I get a chance, I'll probably put some twigs in there. But I think this will look really nice sitting right there. And then soon I'm gonna be lighting this beautiful big candle one day. And because she needs to be used because she smells super lovely. But yeah, guys, that's how that looks. With a little closer look at that. That's how that looks there. I like it. I really like that. Yeah, so yeah, we'll put some twigs in there. But in the meantime, guys, I'll see you guys in the next clip so I can give you guys a haul of the things that I found at the bins. Alrighty, hold the line. Forgot to tell you guys, so this was actually a different color. I'm gonna throw in a clip somewhere over here what color that actually was when I first got her. But she's pretty right there. She's pretty right there. All right, y'all, let's get into the video of my little haul that I have. It won't be long because she don't have a lot. So the first place I stopped at was the one bin's called Bin Treasures that I go to. That's not like really too far, but there I picked up these high quality replacement brush heads for my Oral-B toothbrush. I was super excited because you guys know these cost a fortune. So I got 16 of these for $2, y'all. $2 for this whole pack. I also picked up some black linen shorts. They have like a wide, it ain't too wide. I'm gonna say maybe 2 inches thick at the top to go around. And then it has these 2 little strings here where you tie. And then we have pockets in the front like so. And then they are like cuffed up along the leg parts, and they have pockets in the back. So these are linen black shorts, and these were $1. I really, really like them. Can't wait to wear them. Okay, from the bins that I showed you a little clip of there the other day, I got one lawn chair, y'all. I'll just show y'all in one of these videos, or if I can, I'll put it in this one. I got one lawn chair, full chair for $10. I got this lovely, lovely pillow here. It is cotton, and it is by Project 62, and it was originally $20. You guys can see, I know y'all like detail, so it was originally $20, and I love the fact that it has the textured part here that goes like here, goes down like that, and comes across, and then a little bit more. So that's what that looks like. It's great. I'm going to be putting this in the family room in the chair. So that was another great score. I also picked up, now I don't know if I'll throw in a clip of the clothing items, what they look on me, okay? I think I did try the shorts on, so I will show the shorts, and I will show this beautiful dress by, oh y'all, it's a spider, oh, it's a spider. Okay, I hope you're off me because we're on camera. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry, this is real life. Who What Wear collection. This was originally $34.99. It's very, very nice. It buttons up in the back, and like I said, I'll throw in a clip of how it looks, the front of it and the back. I love the fact that it is long, like so. It has these really nice puff shoulders, nice detail on the on the collars, right here up on your shoulders rather, shoulder collar. Pop it like it's hot, and it comes out like that, and it's just a little long, and it has two nice pockets on the side here. Really, really cute, y'all. Really, really nice. Really like casual, like I like. So nothing fancy, just casual wear, and it is 100% cotton, so the pockets are here. And like I said, I will show in a picture. You'll see here or there the picture of how it looks. I also picked up this beautiful, beautiful vegan side bag, guys, that clips onto your clothes. It is by Universal Thread. Really, really nice. I love the fact that it has that really nice gold, not too shiny. It's like a muted gold, and you can put this through your pants loops. I love the gold here, and it actually has like a lot of holes where you can do it, and it has this little tassel on the side, so it's really, really cute. I'll show a clip how it looks on, but this is all I got, y'all. I really, really like all my finds. I hope you guys enjoyed them, and guess what? I will see you guys in another video, and hold the line, and I will show you guys the lawn chair. But here is everything. The bag. Can you guys see the texture on the pillow? That's that. Here's my shorts. Really cute. And here's my beautiful dress, like so. And then here, you guys, is the chair. Basically similar to these, but it folds up. So now I have two folding ones, this one and the folding one here. Absolutely beautiful. And it is by Room Essentials.